Congratulations, you've got the job. Now it's time to show your new team that they've essentially made the right choice. Your first few days and a couple of weeks are your chance to set the tone, to show that you're professional, teachable, and a positive addition to the team. Now here are a few simple tips, real tips at that will essentially help you shine. The first one is show up ready, on time and prepared. What that means is arrive early. So where you can, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes earlier before your actual start time. It actually shows a great sense of reliability and enthusiasm. So for example, if you're essentially supposed to start at 8 a.m., trying to be there at 7:45. Use those few minutes just to settle in, greet your colleagues, and get comfortable. The second tip is to dress for the environment. Now match whatever the workplace style is and try to fit in as best as possible, whether it's formal, smart casual, or uniformed, right? So if you're actually unsure of what to do, the best thing is to ask your supervisor or observe what others actually choose to wear to work on their first day. The goal is always to look neat, clean, and professional. Not flashy, but confident and ready to work. The third tip is to bring a positive attitude. You can never go wrong with that. Always try to aim to smile, greet people warmly, and be approachable. People remember how you make them feel more than what you say. Always remember that. So even the smallest of gestures, a good morning here or a thanks for your help there, goes an extremely long way in trying to build healthy and good relationships. The last but not least tip is to listen more than you talk. You're new, and that's okay. You might be having a few jitters here and there, but trust me, that is okay. Take the time to listen, learn names, understand processes, and notice how people communicate within the workplace. Ask thoughtful questions and show genuine curiosity, as it shows maturity and humility. So there you go, folks. I wish you nothing but the best. But just before we close off, just to sum up a few of those tips, remember, show up ready, on time and prepared, dress for the environment, bring a positive attitude, and last but not least, listen more than you talk. And that is it from my side, and I wish you nothing but the best on your future journey, and make sure to make it your own, and all the best. Cheers. Thank you.